Meaning of Empire line.
Empire line.
Empire line.
Empire line.
Empire line. Empire line refers to a clothing design detail where the waistline of a garment is raised above the natural waistline, sitting just below the bust. This style of dress was popularized during the Regency era in the early 19th century and has since been a staple in women's fashion. The empire line creates a flattering silhouette by elongating the legs and torso while emphasizing the bust. It is commonly used in both formal and casual dresses, making it a versatile choice for various occasions.